Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune repair report for Ben in Kentucky on his Cobra 29. Ben, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment repair, final upgrade. I'm going to show you what we got. Got the Road King mic here. The unit already had talkback installed on it. We didn't touch that, left that alone. I'll show you what we got. 5-watt slug, about 1.5 watts. The guy wants to run an amplifier at anytime he can. 100-watt slug, I'm going to show you average power swing. 9 bird. Go to peak power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not a fan of talkback myself. But anyways, there it is. 34 peak watts out of this Cobra 29. Got your LED meter light installed as well. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.